Oh, that's great.
Yeah, that's.
Show me what you working with. Show me what you working with.
What happens in Vegas stays in Vegas, but haunts you. So be careful.
Badass beat, I just made the front page. Don't get too close, cause my hair just got laid. Broke ass bitch, and you just got paid. Be kicked up, sipping on lemonade. Ay, I can't rock that, your whole fit from the mall. Friday to Thursday, all I do is ball.
We said Vegas, baby. I'm sorry, don't talk to me. We're gonna hit the slots. Still your man and your bag, baby. Where's your daddy at?
Amazing. All right, Jess, go ahead.
The girls weekend, girls weekend, girls weekend, girls weekend, girls weekend. Show me what you working with. Show me what you working with.
Vegas.
Freaky, yeah, she nasty. Got 3 bad bitches in the backseat. I'ma drop it down low if you ask me. He turn around like, what the fuck happened? I need, but I don't need it. Club just closed, but we still drink it. You better stretch, boy, you start reaching. I don't really think you was thinking. Cell phone on me, boyfriend tweaking. Baby, I'm sorry, it's the girls' weekend. Girls' weekend, girls' weekend, girls' weekend, girls' weekend. Show me what you working with. Show me what you working with. He freaky, yeah, she nasty. Got 3 bad bitches in the backseat. I'ma drop it down low if you ask me. He turn around like, what the fuck happened? He freaky, yeah, she nasty. Got 3 bad bitches in the backseat. I'ma drop it down low if you ask me. He turn around like, what the fuck happened?
We actually have tickets, guys, so we can pay for real. Here, we get 25 cents. I don't know, what do you think when you pick rudder walk?
So Sophia, back up a little bit just so your people work.
Let's go make some money.
Work it back, ayy. Work it back, ayy. Do it like you fucking throwing out your bag, ayy. Drop it down. Back it up. Back it up. Back it up. Hair tie, check my nails. Lip gloss in my purse, what else? ID, but I don't need it. Club just closed, but we still drink it. Girl, you better stretch, boy, you start reaching. I don't really think you was thinking. Cell phone on me, boyfriend tweaking. Baby, I'm sorry, it's the girls' weekend.
Oh my god, I'm gonna become a billionaire.